What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Emil, and this channel is dedicated to you guys to show you anything I'm doing to make passive income with cryptocurrency. So this is going to be a little different, guys. I just want to give you guys an update on the market, how I feel, what I'm doing, yada, yada, yada. Today's looking like a green day. A lot of people are investing into cryptocurrency, but let's look at the overall market. Let's do a refresh on this. Bitcoin is sitting at $20,600. Right now, it looks like 72 billion in the market right now. Market cap is still under 1 trillion. There's a lot of deals right now on the whole crypto market, but I'm not here to advise you on what to do because I'm not a financial advisor. But just to show you some plays that I'm doing personally during this bear market, which could last 12 to 24 months, just as an example of the previous bear markets, but I don't think it's going to be like any previous bear market because during bear markets, it takes time for us to build it up again. And right now, with the way the world is, I don't see people going back to work as much. I see a different world happening in the making where food is going to be delivered to people by robots, whether that being a drone or a self-driving car. We're headed towards that era, and that is going to cut a lot of people out of work, and that's going to drive companies that were used to being on top once recession is over. They're going to completely go away, and there's going to be a lot of companies during this bear market that won't survive. A lot. Whether you're in stocks or crypto, it's just going to be really hard for them to get out of this recession that we're going to be getting into. I mean, if you think it's bad right now, it's going to get worse. In my opinion, I think that all dairy product is going to go up even more. And at the end of this month, we're going to see like chips that are going to start to spike up to $3, maybe 30% more than what they are now. Gas is still going to go up a couple more dollars in 3 months. So things are going to get pretty ugly here. And that's why this whole crypto market's tanking. It's not because, it's not because the technology is not good. It's not because we're not going to use this technology. It's because everything that's happening in the world that people don't feel safe to invest into these assets, whether it means stocks, gold, silver, land, anything. They could see this great crash about to happen, and people are terrified of it. Me personally, there's some days where I just look at my investments and I'm like, holy shit, what the hell did I do? But I'm so mentally strong that I know that these investments that I invest are going to be my retirement, whether that be 5 or 10 years. I'm hoping for 2, but this whole economy is going to shit. So it could be 5. A couple plays I'm going to be doing, guys, as you can see. Crypto Bubbles is a really good, neat tool to use. It gives you more of a visual on what's happening, who's investing, and it just lets you know, oh, cool, Waves is the one that's up the most. And it also gives you a cool perspective on the top 100 coins and how they've been doing for the day, the week, the month, and the year. And you can even, put them up like that. Like Gala's up for the year 500%, but it's down the month 35%. So Gala seems like it's been a strong investment, even though the whole crypto market's down. So, this is something to play with. So there's a couple coins like this guy. I don't know what this chain thing is. It's up 70% for the year, but I've been seeing this a lot, this whole crypto bubble. You got to research it. But coins that I'm going to be investing in, guys, just real quick, coins that I believe in, it's going to be XRP, of course, you guys know. We got, let's see, Litecoin. I don't own any, but I would love to have some. It's a regulated cryptocurrency. It's on INX Exchange. And if you guys don't know what INX Securities, the exchange, it's the first cryptocurrency securities exchange that's regulated by the United States of America. So there's only a few. I'll show you right here. Let's see if I can pop it up. Gotta sign in. So there's like 12 cryptos that are regulated and that are on the exchange. I'll leave the link down below so you can check it out. Okay, I have a few Polygon. I'll probably get some more Chainlink is so undervalued right now. People don't know how well connected this oracle is, but the thing is, the way that this oracle moves, it's easier to have it cheaper. I guess I heard someone say that on some video. I have to do a little more research, but as far as the partnerships go and how many other projects they're working with, Chainlink ain't going nowhere. Chronos is a little speculative, only because I'm seeing all these other like big names like Celsius, Terra Luna, all this stuff just happening, and we're all waiting for this next crash to happen. And I hope to God it's not the crypto.com exchange or something like that, their DeFi wallet, or maybe like VVS gets hacked or something. So I'm still gonna hold my Chronos, and I'm still probably gonna dollar cost average, but not as much as these other assets. Algorand, man, that's my number one right there, man. I love Algorand. I don't have enough of it, but I'll be buying some more. We got Cosmos. I have about 12 Cosmos. I'll probably need to get some more, and I did get it when it was up at $30. So I'm down a lot with Cosmos, which is why I don't want to get more, but I should with the price that it is now. VeChain, I'll always be stacking VeChain. VeChain was one of the coins that I've mined on Unmineable, which, if you guys don't know, Unmineable is like I'm mining XRP at the current moment as I'm doing this video. This is a super dope program. You can mine crypto on any computer. You can mine all these coins. Gala's a new one. I want to change. I should be mining Algorand, but I'm not. I'm mining XRP. But it's super dope, guys. You can mine all these coins as long as you have a really good computer and the merge doesn't happen this year. You should be profit, because Ethereum, what's happening is they're doing this merge where they're going from proof of work to proof of stake. And when that happens, I don't know what the mining profitability will be on these coins or mining GPU in general. Okay. So what else? I'm just going to go through the first 100. Okay. Hedera and Helium. Of course, Hedera. That's like my number one. And then Helium, I'm mining Helium. I have over 100 miners out there. So I'm earning an average of 25 HNT a month with my referral bonuses, and that's not including like the 4 miners that I own. So I will always be having Helium for the next couple of years unless something happens. And they had this new HIP 51 that just passed. A lot of people were confused about how it worked and like what it did to benefit us. And as far as the reward system goes and how they pay us, it did drop significantly compared to what we were getting before. But the overall idea of them allowing them to create this new hub for people to create their own tokens on their network is going to be this huge thing. It's like, imagine Netflix being able to connect to the Helium network, and people that use it get an issue of Netflix coin that's on the Helium network. So when you're watching Netflix, you earn the Netflix coin, right? And that Netflix coin can get converted into Helium. So as you're watching Netflix, you're earning the Netflix coin. Helium is allowing people to do that, to build on their protocol, which a lot of those protocols or a lot of those softwares are run on Wi-Fi, not radio waves, which ideally we would want it to, but it's unfortunate that it's not. So what would be run as radio waves would be sensors like tracking and information on weather, stuff like that doesn't need a high level of data transfer. So Helium is still on top in mining, in my opinion. There was just this big change that the community didn't like, and it was kind of scary. So, yeah, it is what it is. They're building, and people were upset because we have 800,000 miners out there that are going to earn less, and they feel like, oh, we built this thing for you. Why are you going to give us less? Me being one of them. But, at the end of the day, you got to just sit back, take a breather, and just understand why they're doing this. It's to build the network. It's so that way this $11.11 could turn into $1,111. And if that's the case, even if we're mining less, we're mining more because of how much the asset is growing in value. So there's a lot of things that's going with Helium right now that people don't understand. And I'm fully backing them 100%. And I'm still going to mine. I'm still going to offer you guys free miners, which if you guys want one, link is down below. Super simple to sign up, and just make sure to reach out to me so I can get you started. Okay. Filecoin, I don't have enough. I will be getting some. Sandbox, they're already regulated on the INX security. So I do need to get more of them. Bitcoin, I should have said it at the top, or this is not Bitcoin, but I just saw the B. I might get Bitcoin when it hits 15K. If we go lower, I might just get a little bit. I'm not too sure. The most it can go if it goes to 70K, like if it goes back to the all-time high, that's 5 times your money. So it's a safe bet, really, realistically. But I'd rather invest in other assets. I might get some. I might put like $5,000 in. I'm not too sure. I might want to get like a third of a Bitcoin if it goes. That would be great. That'd be crazy, right? But we'll see. Zcash, hell yeah, definitely gonna get some Zcash. This one is super undervalued, and this one will go back to all-time high, guaranteed in a couple years. People don't even know it. And this is regulated by INX Securities, which, like I said, this is a sleeper right here. Zcash. I don't talk about it much. So we have, let's see. I'm gonna make this as short as I can. Axie and Fitting, I won't invest. IOTA, I have a couple. I need some more. Then we got, there's a lot of assets here that I haven't researched. I'm only staying with the ISO 20222 coins, only because it's already on document that the government or banks are going to use these coins to build this next financial system. It's just a way of how we communicate, and these coins are going to help that process. So let's see what else. Quant, I will be getting some. Basic Attention, I get some all the time, only because when I'm using this computer, it's mining for me, or it's a work to earn type of deal. A link in the bio will be here too. So if you don't have Brave browser, you need to get it, because if you're on your computer a lot, like this is what you use for work from an 8 to 5 job, you can be getting an average about 15 coins a month. I know it doesn't sound like much. It's like $2-3 a month. But if this adds up, when this goes to $5 of assets, you're looking at, you were making $40 a month when you were doing this. So I definitely get this only because I get on my computer. But if I were to invest, if I had some extra money, I'm going to throw some in there. Loop Ring, I've been hearing a lot about this, but we'll see. I might get some. I need to do some more research on it. Zilliqa, I will get. I don't have any. I did at one time, but I don't have any. Gala, definitely going to get some, because this thing is going to take off. It's like the #1 gaming thing on the XRP ledger. Plus, it has a lot of partnership and momentum coming. You don't want to miss that wave. XDC, people don't know, XDC is like the backbone to all these networks. They help create and help manage a lot of these companies that when they need help to create a ERC-20 coin, these guys are the ones that do it, the developers. These guys behind the scenes are making things happen. What else we got? Curve DAO token. This is DeFi coin. The DeFi is going to be really big in the space, especially as we get more regulated and the banks start using DeFi coin to make assets. Instead of how banks use our money to lend to other people, so that way they can make interest on other people, and that's how they make their money. Well, Curve DAO is going to give them that funnel where they don't have to borrow from people. They'll just use their liquidity that they have in this DAO token to make enough money on the side, like a CD. That's what I think. I don't have any. I will be getting some. Cadena, it will be around because of the amount of miners that are out there. So I definitely will probably get some. Gemini Dollar, this thing, I won't get Gemini. It's a USD coin, but I will get the coin only because it will be a regulated crypto exchange. What else we got here? That's it for the first 100 coins that I will be investing in, guys. Not that much. Just want to give you guys a quick update what I'm going to be investing in this quick 12 to 24 months of a bear market. It's kind of scary. It sucks. It's really my first one. Actually, I don't know. We're in a mini bear market kind of phase, and this is the lowest we've been since I've been invested with cryptocurrency. But What I'm doing also, guys, is my diamond team. You earn 1.5% back daily. You have to reinvest 3 times, and here's your count. So you have to reinvest into this thing, which adds more to your deposits and it adds more earnings when you take out. And then on the 4th time, you can withdraw. And on average, I'm making about $9 every 4 days on this thing. So what is that? That's 9 times 9. It's about $80 a month I'm making on this platform. I started this with $40. So I'm converting that $80 into XRP right away. Drip, I'm at a loss. It's something I make about 40 cents a day. It's really not that much, but I'm doing it still because every 5 days I can claim like $2 and I convert that to XRP. So really, really cool. I'm mining on my computer as much as I can until this proof of stake or proof of work Ethereum goes away. So I make on average 10 XRP every 6 days. Then I got Mint HMT. I got a bunch of stuff. I got other things that I'm doing to make passive income, guys. So yeah, this is just a real quick update on what I'm doing, exactly how I'm investing into this whole cryptocurrency market and how this bear market is crushing a lot of us, but we're going to use it to take advantage. We're going to use it to build wealth. We're going to use this to be financially free. So if you don't have income right now, or you're struggling to make income, like your main source of income was miners like me, then you got to get up. You got to find work. You need to find a side hustle, something to make passive income. There's tons of things you can do online. Look up UGC content creators. People are hiring people just to make content, which is pretty much like mini commercials for brands, and they pay you. If you don't like to do that, then you can be a furniture flipper on Facebook, man. There's many things you can do. I've done it all, dude. To recycling cardboard, to picking up stuff on the street, to recycling metal, to having a pizza parlor, to now doing crypto and mining. And I was manager of Foot Locker. I've done a lot of stuff in my lifetime. And I can honestly say there's nothing better than working for yourself and finding that passion to make that money for you. That being said, guys, don't put all your eggs in cryptocurrency right now. You need to find other sources of income, and you got to make it happen. And you got to make extra income so that way you can invest in crypto long term, not short term. We're in a bear market, and we gotta build that wealth. We gotta build that financial stability for our families. And the only way we can do that is by working hard, working our butt off, not just counting on this next bull market. We have to work, and then we have to put a portion of what we work into this crypto market, into gold, into land, and then survive this recession that we're going into. So that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Like always, like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.